Here's a brand new Porsche Macan that I did years back. Really needed a upper bumper cover because of the time involved in doing it. The owner did not want the bumper replaced. He owns a number of high-end cars, and he typically said he keeps them for like 6 months or so, and they pretty much give him full pop when they return it. As you can see, it came out very, very nice. Just needed a little bit of touch up, which we didn't have, and he was going to order some Dr. Color chip and touch it up later. But if you have anything similar, give us a call. This was done without paint or bondo in just a day, and it actually turned out to be less than replacement cost and didn't have the diminished value. All it had is just a couple little chips, but it came out completely amazing. The owner sat there and watched with me the whole time, and I was like, do you want to keep putting more time and money into it? He's like, yeah, keep going, because the cost of replacement on a new car like this was extremely high. No Carfax, no paint, no bondo, no issues. Take care. This is Eddie with the Dead Devils Mobile Paintless Nail Repair of San Diego. Be safe.